Here's how to add an order cancellation option button on WooCommerce so customers can handle their own cancellations instead of emailing you every time they change their mind. You'll need to grab a plugin called WC Cancel Order from your WordPress plugins area. The one by WooExperts works well and doesn't mess with your existing setup. Just search for it, install, and activate like usual. Head over to WooCommerce settings, where you'll now see a WC Cancel tab. The Request Cancellation section lets you pick which order statuses can be canceled. Pending payment, processing, and on hold are the typical choices, since those orders probably haven't left your warehouse yet. Check whatever makes sense for how you ship orders. Making the cancellation reason required is usually smart because you'll actually learn why people cancel. Some store owners skip this thinking it's too much hassle for customers, but the feedback is worth having that text box. You can add a custom message in the customer note field if you want to say something when people cancel. Maybe mention your return policy or suggest they contact you first. Guest cancellation is handy because not everyone creates an account when they order. Turning this on lets people cancel using the link in their order confirmation email. Save everything, and your customers will see a cancel request button when they check their orders in My Account. They click it, fill out why they're canceling, and hit confirm cancellation. The order gets marked as cancel request, so you know what needs attention. Check your admin dashboard under WooCommerce, where WC Cancel shows you all the cancellation requests. You can see what people wrote, then either approve it with the check mark or decline it with the X button. This keeps the back and forth emails out of your inbox, while still letting you have the final say on whether orders actually get canceled.